product, that is Havells Chopstick Curler, and this product is very amazing, is very handy, and the safety profile for your hair is also excellent, and you will use this product again and again, and the curls will look amazing. The curls will compose it in a symmetrical way, so you will love your hair after using this product. So first of all, I will tell you some important information regarding the product. Here is the Havells Chopstick Curler. So now this is the hanging loop, and this is the on off indicator. This is on off switch. This is ceramic coated barrel, which is 7 into 10 mm of size and rectangular in shape. And this is cool tip, and this is safety guard on which you can put the instrument while you are not using. So here is the 7 into 10 mm rectangular barrel. This is extra skinny barrel for tight and corkscrew curls, which ensures quick curls with safety. Here is ceramic coating, which protects hair, keep them smooth and healthy. Cool insulated tip is for safe handling. LED indicator, it glows when curler is turned on. Safety stand allows to place the barrel securely during styling. And the power cord is 1.8 meter long, which is very flexible and convenient to use. It maintains 190 degrees Celsius temperature, which is high temperature for perfect result. This product is 2-year guaranteed product, and which is very lightweight and hassle-free and very convenient to use. So, how to use this product? First of all, comb your hair and make it tangle-free. Divide the hair into manageable sections. Wrap the hair around the curling tong and hold the cool tip for 8 to 10 seconds and release. Be careful not to let the appliance touch the scalp.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Likewise, repeat the other sections of your hair in the same way. Continue around the rest of your hair.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweak your body, your mind.
So friends, now how is it to make curls on your hair, isn't it? So just go for Havells Chopstick Curler. You can purchase it without any hesitation. And yes, it's time to subscribe my channel and share my video. And till the next video, take care. Bye bye.
You whip up my appetite.